Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about our project, Recrystalisation.
What is recrystallization?
It is a scientific method used to purify solid chemical compounds. These are dissolved into a liquid, filtered to remove impurities on heat, and colorization is purified by filtrating with activated charcoal.
The purpose of this experiment is to determine the melting point of the compound, while understanding how recrystallization strengthens a compound's purity, how to use vacuum and gravity filtration methods, and to know what a suitable solvent is and how it doesn't react with the compound that wishes to be purified.
The equipment used in a recrystallization experiment includes a 250 ml beaker, 2 of 250 ml conical flask, a funnel, a spatula, 1 sidearm filter flask, some filter paper, pipette, a glass stirring rod, 1 Bilgener funnel, bowling chip, hot plate, rubber tube for vacuum filtration, and eyes. Chemicals include impure solid benzoic acid, decolorizing activated charcoal, and distilled water.
The procedure.
Boil 100 ml of water in a 250 ml beaker, then add 10 ml of that boiling water and a boiling chip into a conical flask. Weigh 1 gram of the impure benzoic acid and add it to the same conical flask. The solution obtained is a pinkish color. Remove the flask from the hot plate and add a spatula of activated charcoal. This cannot be done over the hot plate as the charcoal is flammable. Then place the solution back on the hot plate to continue boiling.
Place a wet filter paper in the second 250 ml conical flask. This flask is then placed on the hot plate and filters benzoic acid. This step requires the flask to be kept over the heat source while performing and washed with boiled water if recrystallization is observed. It is necessary to know how to fold a filter paper. This can be done by folding the filter paper in half and half again, forming a triangle.
Once all the liquid has passed through the funnel, remove the flask from the hot plate. Then remove the funnel and let the flask cool to room temperature, then place in the ice bath. After crystallization appears to be complete, use a bunch funnel to filter off the benzoic acid crystals using a pre-weighted filter paper. The filtration should be done using a vacuum filter. Place the crystals onto the watch glass, then put into the oven at 80 degrees for a maximum of 10 minutes. Determine the melting point by using a melting point apparatus.
Thanks everyone for watching. Here's a list of the references.
Created using Powtoon.